Where's my camera?
Ito sa baon. Hot. Lagyan mo ng asin.
And you put salt in there? Tim, you want ballot? Really?
Sabi mo, 4 or 5, man. Subikin lang yun.
Maybe Khalil eat that. Delicious? I'm just scared, man.
Di natatakot to. Ano, nakatatakot ko lang ito. Saka bumili.
Yeah, you want balut? Look. Look at the sheep.
Kapag sa picture yun.
You want to see it?
Tsaka sa ayan.
Sabi na watch you guys. Nila, pakita mo nga ikwan. Ikita dyan.
Dalawa siya, no? Mainit kinakain.
You missed it. I missed it.
Yeah, she still has hers.
Here.
This one, the duck?
Yeah.
Can I see the duck?
You don't eat balot?
No, I'm too scared.
I'm scared, oh.
I'll eat Dad, you want to eat the balut? I'll eat the yolk.
Bring out the duck, though. Nina? Nina, bring it out. Yeah, Nina, is it dark? I'll see if the bird already.
You did?
Huh?
She ate it already.
She ate it. She's eating it right now.
She knows what it is.
Yeah.
There, look at Tita. That's how you eat it. He just need to go and walk away.
With the shell.
Yeah, man.
Like ice cream.
That's the duck.
Yeah, it's good.
Hey, that's good. Gangster.
Ayan. Oh my God.
There it is.
Wala akong kumakain ka. Ayan, yan, no? Wala na yung sisi mo, no?
Kinain na niyo.
Kinain na yan. Bilis na Johan.
You don't eat
Good job, Nina. You're a true Filipino.
Mama. Fake.
We're counterfeit.
Ano yung matigas? Ano ba yung matigas?
That is the placenta.
Those are the feet and the beak.
No, there's a hard part.
Hard part. Pinakalookan